Look how white that is. Oh, and now, oh. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Damaris, aka De La Rosa. So for today, I am finally doing a first makeup look video. I decided to go for a fall theme look just because we are in the beginning of fall, and for those of you that don't know, fall is my favorite season. Now I will be using Revolution products. So yeah, so if you guys do enjoy this amazing look, just keep on watching. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. I already did my eyebrows. I did use another brand besides Revolution, so I didn't want to get off the topic, so I just decided to do my eyebrows first. So when applying the intensifying primer, that was kind of a little iffy at first, just because when applying it, it did feel very oily, and I was kind of scared when applying my eyeshadow. But once I started, messing with it and going all around my eyelid, it started drying up a bit. I'm just gonna go back and forth with using these two palettes with Revolution. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this color. And then we're gonna go ahead and get started with this color on the other palette. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and go a little darker on this one. And just working my way down. And then just circular motions on the corner, or going towards the corner. That way you guys. I go back to the first color again, and then I redo the top, just so I can continue blending. Blending is the magic, guys. Okay, and that's how it's looking so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that brown. Just gonna work here on the corners and then slowly bring it forward. Go back up here and blend a little bit. That's how it's looking so far. We are almost done. So next up, I am gonna be using the Revolution Eye Glisten. So this is a thicker side, and then this is a thinner side of the glitter. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this one for the eyelids. And then I am gonna put a little bit of this gold shimmer on, just because it's a little bit more on the goldish side. I decided to finally use the Revolution foundation. Hopefully this color helps me good. As for my primer, I did not get a Revolution primer. That's the only thing that I did forget about. So I did went ahead and used the putty primer from e.l.f. I wanted to finally use it just to see how it is. Now the feeling of it, it worked really, really well. You know, blemish the pores a little bit. So yeah. So next we're gonna go ahead and apply the foundation. So next up, I am going to do the concealer. I decided to go ahead and get this fast base concealer. So we're going to go ahead. I also hope I did get the right color. So next up, I am going to be using the Revolution banana baking powder. This is definitely my go-to. I do love, love, love this baking powder. It's so smooth. It sets in so easily. This is definitely my go-to. I fell in love with this since the first time I've tried it. So we're going to go ahead and apply. And then I do go in between my nose just because I do get really oily. I do have very, very oily skin between my nose, my forehead, and my chin. So as I let the baking set, I will get started on the Revolution contour palette. Now this is the first time use. I've never used the contour palette, so we're gonna go ahead and try it out. I'm gonna go ahead and go with these two back and forth. So yeah, let's get started on that and work with the lighter one first. Oh yes, guys, this is very pigmented. Oh yeah, look at that. I like that. Now, since usually I do use a a bronzer, but this is my first time using the contour palette. I wanted to do that before the bronzer, but my go-to bronzer is the Revolution. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the darker one, this one, on the corners, just to exaggerate just a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. And then just I go a little bit here, not too much, just to exaggerate a little bit on my jawline. I'm gonna go darker again here, just on these two corners. Yes. Ooh, hello. So far, guys, it's really good. Now, I did end up buying Revolution translucent powder. I am very, very scared, guys. Look how white that is. That's like Casper white. I am so scared to use it. But you know what? That's why I decided to go with their baking powder. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of it down here. And just see and pray. I don't know why I wanted to try it out, but why not? Okay, so hopefully. So let's go ahead and do that. Look how white that is. Oh, and now, oh. While we wait on that, we're gonna go ahead and do the contour on my nose. I'm gonna go ahead and do that one. Okay, so now that we finished with the contour, I'm gonna go ahead and brush all this baking powder and as well with the translucent. Let's do that. Okay guys, so it was a little hard for me to brush off the translucent powder, so I had to go back to my contour palette and use this color between these two to like brush off and kind of blend in with my skin tone. It was hard to brush off. I don't even know how I feel about it now. Like this side is okay, it's just this side. As far as with the translucent powder, that is not my go-to, even though I already knew it from the back. I just wanted to try out for the first time, so yeah, so that is not my go-to for sure. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with the Revolution highlighter. This, guys, this is more like a rosy champagne. No, it's more like a champagne-ish color. As a setting spray, I am using the Peaches and Cream Revolution. It does smell like peaches. So the reason why I got Peaches and Cream, because it reminded me of that song with, who was it? 112? One of those. Yes, guys, I am a 90s baby. So, oh, that smell. So I'm going to go ahead and apply. Ooh. Hello. Kind of sound like Jeffree Star. But, oh my god. Look at that. Oh, yes, honey. Yes. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit on the nose. Make my lips stick out more. So yeah. Now, as for my eyes, back to my eyes, you can put either eyeliner or just put on the lashes. For me, I'm just gonna go straight on with the lashes. I did go ahead and went with Ardell. For the lip gloss or lipstick, I did go over the NYX, I believe it's called Liply. I did not get a Revolution lipstick. Touch. I will be using the Peaches and Cream again by Revolution. So let's go ahead and do that. And then, guys, the last touch is my fan. I love using this fan, especially when applying my setting spray, so I could just dry faster and let it sit well. So that is it, you guys. This is the final look. Yes. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this fall look video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys want any more of these videos using either drugstore makeup or any type of makeup that you guys would love for me to try on. I'll be more than happy to do so. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button if you guys want to watch any more of my videos. Also, go ahead and click on that bell to get notified when I'll be posting again. Again, thank you guys so much for the love and support. It really means a lot, and I cannot wait to continue doing more of these videos. Thank you.